Hey, what's up? It's been a little over a year since I started documenting my stock trades with the help of my algorithm, TipTicks. If you've been tracking me, you can easily say I made 6 figures trading stocks. If not, check my videos out for you to catch up. A little over 2.5 months in the year, still haven't made any stock trades. I missed a lot of big plays, particularly in the energy sector, but it's all good as I'm still learning how to trade their setups. It's been a minute since my last video, so why not talk about my key takeaways from making 6 figures in a year trading stocks? Here are 7 of them. First, trading needs a full plan of action. Before hitting that order button, you have to know what price to enter, where to cut your position when proven wrong, how much risk you're willing to take on a trade, where to take your profits, how to trail your profits in case your targets are not met. Likewise, your plan of action in case your plan doesn't materialize. I know, that's a handful. Having this in hand neutralizes the emotions of the game. Second, respect your plan. When a stock tells you to cut, accept you're wrong. When a stock meets your profit-taking plans, take profits. I wouldn't be in a situation where I am in right now if I wasn't practicing this kind of thinking. Clear example of this is my OEG trade. If I never took profits when it surged to $10 and just held on it, I'd be in the negative now instead of sitting with a decent profit. Likewise, had I not cut my positions when trades proved me wrong, I would have been collecting bags of losses. Third, don't have to trade every day, but be ready every day. As the old saying goes, the lesser you trade, the better. But you have to do your homework on a daily basis. Check if there are any potential trades that's within your system, and if there is, that's the only time you should trade. Or in my case, whenever I'm testing out a new logic. Most of my wins came from just a handful of trades and my losses from multiple small ones. I would have had a better bottom line if I at least cut the number of my small losses in half. Again, it's about the quality, not the quantity of trades. Fourth, delay the celebration to when position has been closed. One thing I've found beneficial is to only celebrate wins when gains have been realized or cashed out. There's a lot that goes on whenever in a trade. I want to focus my energy on making sure I execute my plans for it, be void of external noise instead of being caught up in the moment. I've witnessed a lot of people celebrating wins too early, myself included, only to backfire and get frozen when things turn around. This is the exact reason I only reveal my trades after I've sold them once profit has been realized. Number 5. Half of the battle is won doing the homework outside market hours. I'm going to attribute a portion of my success in stock trading, if you're going to qualify it as such, to hours logged reviewing trades and patterns spent outside of trading hours including weekends. This has given me the mental preparation to take on a valid trade idea whenever it presents itself. Next up, have a distraction. Trading can be mentally and emotionally exhausting. To not fall into this, you have to have a life outside of it. Anything to take your mind off it. Having a life outside of trading has helped me avoid taking senseless trades and has stimulated new insights on how to better my performance and strategy. Lastly, there's still a lot more to improve. Even with what I've accomplished, there's still a lot for me to work on. For one, I need to improve my profit-taking strategy. Second, even though I have a working algorithm or system, there are parameters that can still be improved to better its efficacy. Having said that, I've only unearthed a fraction of the multitude of ways on how to make money in the markets. There's intraday trading, shorting, options, and whatnot. Some of which I'm currently working on to add in my arsenal. Likewise in the library of TipTicks, which will then provide more avenues to make money down the line, regardless of market situation. I'm very much excited for this and looking forward to try them out when they present themselves. These are my 7 takeaways from making 6 figures in trading stocks. I know my gains are incomparable to the gains made in the NFT space and that I have much more bigger goals than this, but it doesn't hurt to appreciate what's been accomplished. Hope you learned something or got inspired maybe. I don't know, you tell me. I guess till I trade again, hopefully soon. Let's see what I come up with. Bye for now.